Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Today's lesson is about has and have. We'll find out when to use them in sentences. Let's begin with has. Has goes with singular noun, meaning one person, one place, one thing, one animal. Has is also used with pronouns he, she, and it. For example, has for singular nouns. Noralyn has a bag. We use has because we refer to only one person by name. It is a singular noun. In this example, the doctor has a syringe. Has is used because there is only one person, singular noun. Let's use has with pronouns he, she, and it. He has 3D shapes. Has is used because of the pronoun he. She has green shoes. We use has for the pronoun she. It has a purple handle. Again, has is used because of the pronoun it. Now, let's discuss when to use have in sentences. Have goes with plural nouns, meaning two or more persons, places, things, or animals. We also use have with pronouns I, you, we, and they. Have for plural nouns. Junair and Angie have balloons. As you can see, we use have because we are talking about plural nouns. We talk about two persons by name. The children have bags. We use have because of the plural noun, children. There are 3 kids being talked about. For pronouns I, you, we, they, we use have as well. I have pink boots. We use have because of the pronoun I. You have a yellow pencil. Have is used because of the pronoun you. We have books. Again, have is used because of the pronoun we. Lastly, in this example, they have toys. For pronoun they, we also use have. Here's a recap. Has goes with singular nouns and with pronouns he, she, it. In the same manner that have goes with plural nouns and with pronouns I, you, we, and they. Let's answer some more exercises for the sake of practice. He blank a blue shirt. The answer is has because of the pronoun he. They blank orange shirts. We use have because of the pronoun they. Let's review when to use has and have in sentences. Let's begin with has. Has goes with singular noun, meaning one person, one place, one thing, one animal. Has is also used with pronouns he, she, and it. Now, let's discuss when to use have in sentences. Have goes with plural nouns, meaning two or more persons, places, things, or animals. We also use have with pronouns I, you, we, and they. Here's a recap. Has goes with singular nouns and with pronouns he, she, it, in the same manner that have goes with plural nouns and with pronouns I, you, we, and they. Now that you know how to use has and have in sentences, let's practice using them with simple English exercises. Let's do this! Complete the sentence with has or have. He blank a green jacket. He has a green jacket. I blank colorful toys. I have colorful toys. They blank new shoes. They have new shoes. She blank black shoes. She has black shoes. Pia and Aki blank bags. Pia and Aki have bags. Miser blank a red car. Miser has a red car. The boy blank a yellow pencil. The boy has a yellow pencil. We blank a brown cat. We have a brown cat. You blank a pink shirt. You have a pink shirt. It blank brown spots. It has brown spots. Complete the sentences with has or have. You may pause the video if you need more time. Mark and John have white shoes. Juveline has a purple bag. You have an orange shirt. She has a yellow dress. Grandma has a gold necklace. Good job! I hope you found these exercises useful. If you do, click like and subscribe to see new videos on our channel to help you improve your English. Have an awesome day!